Alopecia areata is an autoimmune disease where the immune system is confused and doesn't really realize that the hair follicle is part of its own body, and it starts attacking the hair follicle. We don't exactly understand what the process is, but alopecia areata can lead to hair loss. It can be in smaller patches, few patches. It can be more extensive and it can involve the whole scalp. But alopecia areata can also be hair loss in the beard, the facial hair, the body hair, the eyebrows. So essentially any hair-bearing part of the body can be affected by alopecia areata. In the lighter forms you might have few patches. They may be small, they may be bigger, but they usually don't last more than 4, 6, 8 months, and the hair comes back spontaneously. In more severe cases, it can be more longer lasting and it can also be more extensive. If you lose hair on all the scalp, we talk about alopecia totalis. If you lose hair from all over the body, including body hair, eyebrows, eyelashes, from the private parts, genital areas, then we talk about a universal form of alopecia areata. We don't really have a cure for this disease, but what we do have is a number of treatments that can regrow some or all the hair. The success rate varies. At our clinic, we have developed our own protocol where we combine 3 different treatments, and we may actually add even a 4th treatment. It seems in our experience that patients that have had hair loss, alopecia areata, for less than 5 years, this seems to have better results than patients that have had alopecia areata for 10 years or more. But again, it's not a cure. It may relapse. You may lose the hair again. If you want more details about the condition, you're more than welcome to check out our more extensive video on alopecia areata for more information, more details. Thank you.